Are you wondering how I created that awesome looking pictures right there? Well, I used a trick. And that trick included Blender GIS, and Google Maps. So if you want to see how I did this, watch this video. To get started with this really awesome project, please click on this link down below and download the zip file. And after you download the zip file, go to Edit Preferences and go to Install and select your zip file and click on Install add-on. So after you do that, you should be able to get this add-on and then click on this down below. And now let's get started. So after this, you're going to be seeing this GIS right here. So delete the queue, go to GIS. So there are many options: base map, get OSM, get elevation, import. There are a lot of things here. But to get started, let's go to web geodata and click on base map. So there are a bunch of options. You can select Bing or Google. I would prefer Google. And for map or satellite, I'm choosing satellite since satellite is more accurate. And click on OK. Okay, so you've seen that it's going to take some time, and there you go. You have a map there. So now what are you going to do with this map? Okay, so if you want, you can scroll over and zoom in like really close to get a place for you to download, or you can press G and search for a place. I'm going to search for Himalayas and select the zoom level up to 15 or something and click on OK. Okay, looks like it's building, and there you go. So this entire thing is a mountain. Okay, so I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit, get a good view of this. Yep. And now once you have selected your area in this, you can press E to extract, and there you go. You have extracted your location. So from here, you're going to see that it looks kind of cool, right? It's like extracted from a real world Google map. Looks so cool. But the next part is much more interesting. So after this, go to web geodata, go to get elevation. So if you want, there are many servers, but I'm going to stay with marinegeo.org, GMRT, and click on OK. So after this, you're going to see something really interesting is going to happen. Okay, it's created a landscape right here, which looks kind of cool, right? But let's make this sort of better. So if you want to exaggerate the mountain's height, go here and search for strength. Yep, and there you go. Okay, go to the modifiers, and if you want to increase the strength, that's going to work. But don't do it really high. Yeah, this is going to work. But actually the mountain is like really high, but since Google Maps is only getting the top part, they can only get this kind of layering. Looks kind of cool, right? I mean, imagine what else you can do. So this is how you can mountains, landscapes, just by pinpointing the exact location in Google Maps and getting it. Wow, it's very nice. So if you want, you can select a background. Maybe go to EV. Okay, go to rendering. Yeah. So maybe you can select an HDRI. So you see, if you see that when I'm using cycles, you're actually getting the effect of this thing being real. So It looks really cool. So maybe a moon here to make it look even better. So this is all for this really interesting video. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.